Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're going to talk about my 5 favorite bags for spring in my collection. You guys know if you saw my most recent video, which if you didn't, I'll link it right up here, but spring and summer are my absolute favorite seasons. To be honest, it was fall for a very long time. I really loved fall because my birthday was in fall and I just love like all the fall colors and all that fun stuff. But I have to say I like spring and summer so much more now. I just love when it's warm and I get to wear sandals and I get to just not be bundled up all the time. So because of that and because of my love for color, I feel like I have some really good bags here for the spring especially. So if you guys want to know which 5 bags are my favorite for spring, then please just keep on watching. But wait, you already know what to say. If you're not already subscribed, explain yourself. I post on Wednesdays and on Sundays at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I feel like you're gonna be here when I do. If you like luxury, like handbags, or fashion, you like spring and summer, I feel like this is definitely where you're gonna be. So subscribe if you're not already, and you should follow me over on Instagram if you're not already. It's just a Katie Danger. I post every single day over there. Every day is a reel, outfit of the day, something on stories. It's a lot, okay? We post a lot over there, so you should follow me over there if you're not already. And with all that out of the way, let's jump into the video. So first on my list is actually my bag of the day. So let me just sneak.
Oh, how am I gonna do this?
So the first bag on the list is my green Lady Dior bag. I will link the unboxing right up here. I'll actually link the unboxing for all of these bags. I'm pretty sure I have unboxings for all of them. But this bag is going to be in heavy rotation during spring and summer months. It just goes so well with everything and I love it. This color is just everything to me. I absolutely love the Lady Dior. I have grown to be a little obsessed. It's one of my absolute favorite bags and I can't say enough good stuff about it. This is why I have 3 of them. I'm actually using this today because I'm wearing this Zimmermann dress and look at the little green and the green. Are you kidding me? The vibes of a beautiful floral Zimmermann dress specifically and a Lady Dior are just immaculate. They're immaculate. So I absolutely love this. And even though I do love my white Lady Dior and I definitely get a lot of wear out of that one, this one in the spring, stop. So because spring is really the time of like pastel colors, really light, delicious colors, there is one bag that we just need to, it's poking out. It's like, it stands out because it is so light that it's almost white. This is my Chanel Business Affinity in the small size in the 20, I don't remember the color. I'll link the unboxing up here. I know that the Business Affinity is not everybody's cup of tea. I know a lot of people don't like this extra pocket here, but I am sorry. I love this for some reason, and I cannot tell you why. I cannot tell you why. This bag screams class to me. Like every time I see someone carrying this, I'm like,
Oh, that's the classiest bitch in America. There she goes.
I absolutely love the silhouette of this bag. I mean, I love Chanel in general, but this bag specifically, the fact that it has a top handle, it has a very large, like it's not large, but like it's a wide, it takes up like the whole entire backside as opposed to the Mona Lisa pocket, which is like this big. It has feet. It obviously has the strap, which is not removable, but that doesn't really bother me. I just think this is so well thought out. And even with this little extra pocket, I just leave it open so that it doesn't topple over because I find that this loses balance very easily. But you can just put anything that you need really quick access to here, but not like it really matters because you get pretty quick access to the rest of the bag. It's really just a little whoop, whoop, and you're in. It's very easy and I love that. The Business Affinity is a bag that Chanel has been doing for a while now and I specifically like it more in the lighter colors. So like this, I was close to getting this in white before I got my white Lady Dior. Wearing this beautiful like light pink bag with like any beautiful floral dress, like it is such a look. It is such a look. And again, that's my uniform. You guys know this already. I wear the same shit over and over again. And I'm very proud of it. I don't care. So this is definitely one that I think deserves a spot on this list. Next up is another, it's such a good color, you guys. I feel like most of these bags are because of the color that they're mentioned on this list. I mean, they're in my collection mostly because of their color, not even because of their functionality, to be honest. But this one right here, that was going to take me 5 hours to get out, because it's all the way in the back again. This is my small Coco handle from Chanel in yellow. Oh my God. This is the most beautiful, delicious, amazing yellow color that I have ever seen. Okay. It is pastel yellow. And again, for the spring and summer, this is exactly what we want. This actually would go really well with my dress today, but I am like hell-bent that I'm going to be using the Green Lady Dior. I haven't left the house yet, but when I leave the house, Green Lady Dior is the one. I love the cocoa handle, and I know a lot of people really don't love like, it's really a love it or hate it type of bag, but I feel like this encompasses everything that I could ever want ever in a bag. So I don't know why anybody, except that it's not lambskin. It's such a beautiful silhouette, has a top handle, it's structured, it's easy to get in and out of, it has the back pocket, it has feet on the bottom, and again, it has a strap, but this one is removable. It's really just a perfect all-rounder bag. I'm so obsessed with this yellow. This is one of the bags that like I don't use that much because it's yellow, but I don't care. I don't care if I use this once a year. It's worth it just for that once a year. Okay, thank you. Okay, the next one is another favorite in my collection. I mean, obviously my whole collection is my favorite. Like I love all of my bags, but another one of my favorites is going to be my Chanel boy bag in the Tiffany blue. Oh my God, I love this so much. And I know this is not everybody's favorite bag in my collection. Trust me, I'm well aware. You don't have to tell me, but I don't give a rat's ass. I think it is so beautiful. The color, the structure, like the boy bag is iconic to me. And I'm not interested in people who want to say that the boy bag is over. It means nothing to me because it is just so beautiful. And the color on this is amazing. This bag definitely looks good in caviar. And I will say this is not a very plasticky looking caviar in my opinion. I feel like this looks very luxurious. And I just freaking love this color. I've used it a lot more than I ever thought that I would, being such a specific color. Like what in my wardrobe goes with this, but surprisingly a lot. And last on this list, a bag that I have absolutely never used, not one time in my entire life, but that's because I literally just unboxed it. I will link the unboxing up here. And that is this little baggie. Oh my God, look at it. Look at it. If this is not the most spring appropriate bag that I have in my collection, I don't know what is. I don't know what is. It's so cute and adorable, which for some reason makes me feel like it's perfect for spring. I don't know what that is, but like a big bag in spring, no. Big bags need to be in fall and winter in my mind. For spring and summer, we need little tiny bags. So that is exactly why she needs to make her debut. This is obviously in the most beautiful lavender shade ever. I am obsessed with this. I'm obsessed with this color, you guys. I'm so happy that I have her in my collection, and I know that this is a really teeny bag, and a lot of people don't like that it's a teeny bag, but listen, I don't care, okay? It's just so goddamn cute. Obviously, you can't fit, everything you've ever owned in here, but that's okay because all I really need is like one card and maybe my key fob, and I'll be good to go. So I am really not mad about the size. I know it doesn't work for everybody, but it's mine and it works for me, so that is it. Those are my 5 favorite bags in my collection for spring. Definitely let me know in the comments what you guys thought about my picks. Obviously, most of my collection is very colorful, but I feel like there are a lot of colors that lend themselves more to like fall or winter or something like that. So like this gray trendy CC, like I'm not going to mention that for the spring. This olive green bag, not for the spring. So I feel like pastels, all those lighter washes of color are definitely, they're going to be here for the spring, okay? They're going to be, you get prepared to get sick of me. Prepare. Definitely let me know in the comments which bags you have in your collection that you're going to be using on repeat for spring. I definitely want to know. But that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post every single day over there. And that's all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Sliding is really ass. It's literally ass. Okay.